Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all, hey. Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all, hey. My hair look a mess. Oh my gosh.
Hey guys. I look crazy as hell, y'all. I just finished hair, but I got that money though on myself.
Y'all, guess what? We moving into our apartment today. This gonna be apartment tour. He is, but the apartment nice. You get what you get in DC, okay? Yeah, so come with us on this new journey. I know y'all missed me. I missed y'all. I'm back for real this time. I ain't going nowhere. Look at the hair. It's so pretty.
Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around this snail, ho. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Get up where you been at, mine. Everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck. Got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players. My folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate me. Them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on gang. Stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toast. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe.
Oh my gosh, Chloe.
I be in a loop, she be in a loop. Brody want a friend, don't alley loop. Turn something to nothing, bro, I'm living food. How can I lose when?
Y'all, my camera is on its last leg, so I gotta record on my phone. We got our U-Haul. Hey!
Your exes, whatever it is, it can be.
Hey! Y'all, we got our U-Haul. Oh, is it broken? I'm surprised it worked. The other one didn't.
Looking clean, that shit look up the cave.
Y'all, we in the U-Haul on the way to get our first load. Oh, this apartment stuff is a lot of work. My camera is broke. Like the screen is coming off the hinges, so I have to use my cellular device. So let's stop the whipping this U-Haul truck. Is there a car? No, I'm sorry, so bad. This is the first trip. 8 bags in that tote. First trip. I think we're gonna need one more trip for her. Then we on to her apartment to get her stuff. My stuff from my phone. So, where am I going?
We going downstairs.
Y'all, I wish y'all could see how many packages we have. Our besties coming to help, and our brother.
Thank God.
And our brothers are. Y'all, I'm gonna come back to y'all when we're in that mail room so y'all can see what's really. God bless. Definitely forgot to show y'all the mail room. But here's. This is not even half. We got just our beds, a nightstand, mattresses, all that. But and will. Took a quick pit stop at Trader Joe's to get some fruit. She got chocolate. Y'all, we got our box frame, my nightstand, the shoe boxes. Y'all gotta see the U-Haul. I'm gonna show y'all. Oh well. This is what we got so far. Who needs men when you got strong women? Yeah.
Okay, period. Never needed a nigga. What's the nigga?
Exactly. Okay, y'all. Gots to go again. Y'all, this is my everything. So y'all. I just got the rest of my Amazon packages. Wait for the elevator to come. So I go help Mariah, but I know she's struggling. But the elevator not coming, so I'm gonna just carry them. Okay, Sean. I try to wait for the elevator, but
We moving.
I gotta say something.
We moving. Oh my goodness.
come on. Bestie Finally King.
Hey guys, so per usual, but
Bestie
Bro.
Finally King.
Yo,
hey brother.
Let me talk. How y'all doing? Oh my goodness, I look good. Hey, how y'all doing? My name's Jordan. Feel me? I go to Georgetown. Gotta introduce myself to the channel. You know what I'm saying? I'm just helping my besties move in. Feel me? AP on the wrist though. You know what I'm saying? Barber, you already know they got me right. You know what I'm saying? AP though. Yeah, Dezzy. So they can get me.
I'm gonna just flip it.
Make sure I get the thumbnail.
Got you.
Hey, look, you can fit it right now. You know what I'm saying?
Ready? Go back.
Yeah. You see that little matching fits they got on, y'all? They trying to say they didn't plan. They trying to say they didn't. They trying to say they didn't plan that. They know they planned it. Hey, in the comments below, if y'all were moving, would y'all wear sandals or shoes? I just want to know.
Okay, guys. This is Mariah's bathroom. If the camera's in there, it's not. Okay. This is her bathroom. We've been here for almost 30 weeks, 2 weeks. This is what we have so far. So this is like a little update from what y'all seen. This is Mariah's room. Yeah. Laundry. Kitchen. It's a little song. Look at our fridge organizer. We're getting somewhere. It's the area she does hair. Oh, what did happen? It's the area she does hair. It's balcony number 1. Living room. We have no couch yet, but we're getting there. Ugh. Balcony 2. This is my room. It's a little messy because of my dog. Say hi to Willow, y'all. I don't think y'all met her. This is Willow, my fur baby. You'll see fur. Say hi, Willow. This is my room. Her little area. She got a little messy. Don't mind the bed. I just gotta flip it while I'm editing this video. It's the bathroom. This is my shower. This is my closet. I have so much clothes. My shoes, laundry basket, booty boot, a little walk-in closet, a little one too. It's my bathroom, my little perfume collection. I need more. Y'all give me perfume suggestions if y'all this far in the video. It's a little area where you can come do your work. A little booty boot, a little printer. Another little area. Patio.
Till the sun comes back, I need a big boy hottie. Mix his own heat with his big boy body. For the next 3 months, skinny boys is dead. Forget a 6-pack, I need
This the gym, y'all.
Push.
Y'all.
a California king, refrigerator stack. With steaks on steaks on steaks on steaks on steaks. Butter, bacon, cheese, and lasagna in the tray. Need an enormous man with an enormous hand. Teach me snacks with his enormous hands. And I hope he asks me to be his winter wife. Cause messing with a big boy will change you.
That equal graphics.
This the little yoga room. Where the light at? Oh,
I got the door.
I need a big boy body like a bouncer. Big mouth breather and legs like a monster. Get in the bed and he gonna do me right. And when we all done, he gonna snore all night. And then he stops.
He be feeding me pasta and lobster. He just hit me up on Tuesday, like, what's doing, babe? Let me take you shopping. I told him, well, I'm a little busy. He said, damn, I'm in your city. But
rooftop area, guys.
They're gonna put a TV here, guys.
Yeah, it's gonna be a TV instead of a little picture. But that picture is
This is right where the pool is. And we be walking all the way down. Oh no, this is the donkey thing.
Oh yeah, you need to bring her up here. This is for the dogs. Little piece of grass. This is
got a nigga, yeah, he from the trap. He low-key, yeah, stay off the map. Anytime I need some money, he said pull up, cause it gotta be cash. Pushed up, he was on it down. He like, babe, you ain't never around. When nigga, I gotta put up in the dirt, cause why you ain't never in town? I'm out of the way with Pablo. This nigga swear that he your chopper. He know not to play in my face, cause I swear it's hard for him to keep my calm, huh? He be tweaking cause he in my vato. In his pockets like I hit the lotto. I'ma get to this money and fuck these niggas. That's forever the motto. Fuck 'em. I got hoes. Might just be on me.
I made it for nothing, no turn into something from nothing. Made it through property, on our minority, you know the story. Hop on the jet on my property and fly away. Fly, fly, fly away. Call me a president, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah. My niggas can't whip me, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah. Rich nigga got his own seats, yeah. All of these hoes came with it, yeah. All them over get KB, yeah. I try to fight to
this the pool. Little one too. Where we're at the past 2 weeks. Hope y'all liked the video. Comment on videos y'all want to see. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tell me what's your favorite part of our apartment. And give me ideas on what to add to my room because it's done but it's empty. Like I need pictures, decorations. I don't know what to do. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
I'll be your role model. Don't need a house tomorrow. Gotta meet with Audemars.